Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying physical and basic settings so you don't chase ghosts. First, swap the Ethernet cable and try another router port. Link LEDs should light. Next, make sure your network adapter is enabled in Device Manager and not disabled by power saving. Once done, restart the modem, then the router, then your PC to refresh DHCP leases. Make sure you observe port lights and boot order. This clears most transient link issues before deeper work. You now move to configuration and diagnostics to isolate software causes. Update the network driver and router firmware because mismatched versions can drop Ethernet. If DHCP fails, assign a manual IP in the router subnet and test connectivity to the gateway. Use ping and tracert to see where traffic stops. Run ipconfig/renew and netchint IP reset to rebuild stacks. Once done, check router logs and the adapter's advanced properties. You finish by validating the fix and preparing fallbacks. Test with speed tools and another device on the same port to confirm whether issue is router, cable, or PC. If configs are corrupted, perform a factory reset on the router and reapply a minimal secure setup, SSID, password, DHCP range. If problem persists, plug a USB Ethernet adapter to rule out a failed NIC. One key troubleshooting tip: collect exact error messages, LED, and timestamps so ISB support can resolve carrier-side problems faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.